Jong! What's up, my brother? Grabe. Alright, Jong, papakinggan natin ang masasabi ng Clash Panel sa performance mo. Clash Panel?
Bagay pala sa'yo yung mga ganyan na ballad. And always binibigyan mo kami ng heartfelt na performance. I think it is a beautiful handog mo para sa amin lahat ang ipinamalas mo sa amin ngayon. Lagi mong inaantig ang mga puso namin sa mga pagkanta mo. So thank you very much.
Totoo ka, Mare. Pag si Jong talaga yung kumakanta, parati talagang, ewan ko ba, yung puso ko talagang may kalungkutan na lumalabas. Kala ko nga ang kakantahin niya yung kay Elvis Presley na Ain't Nothing But a Hand Dog. Pero yung pala kay Florante. Pero kaya medyo hindi muna ako nalungkot. Pero ngayon, ang masasabi ko lang, natutuwa pa rin ako at ang galing-galing mo pa rin, Jong. Talagang, oo. Ain't Nothing But a Hand Dog. By Elvis Presley. Matutuwa sa'yo si Elvis tsaka si Florante at the same time. Maraming salamat sa awitin mong yan.
Jong, it was very heartfelt. Na-feel namin na, yun nga, ang dami mong napagdaanan. Even before the clash, during the first clash, and then ngayon. So, binigyan mo kami ng storytelling na napakaganda. Given that, dahil nga medyo emotional din yung pagkanta mo, ang iniisip ko na lang in my head is style niya kaya yung parts na hindi niya nilapag sa timing yung sa pagkanta, or is that emotion, or is that his style? So yun yung what's in my head right now. Kasi sometimes I do that eh. So parang hindi ko binabagsak sa music kasi it's style. Pero I have to sleep on it. Bukas ko malalaman yung score. Hindi, joke lang. Pero definitely your heart is always there in your songs. So salamat.
Thank you.
I don't wanna go, but baby, we both know we don't have the time. It's time to say goodbye. Violins play and the angels cry. When the stars are alive, then I'll be there. No, I don't care about the moon, 'cause all I want is to be loved. And all I care about is you. You stuck with me like meant to be. No, I don't care about the pain. I want the fire and the rain, just to get closer to you. You stuck with me like meant to be. Violins playing and the angels cry. When the stars are alive, and I'll be there. I don't care about the moon, 'cause I want it to be loved. And all I care about is you. You stuck with me like a tattoo. No, I don't care about the pain. I want the fire and the rain, just to get closer to you. Stuck with me like a tattoo. All I care about is love. All I care about is
Arabelle! Hi, Ara! Ano,
Yun.
kamusta? Anong pakiramdam mo? Parang, okay ka lang ba?
Yung diction, di ba? Itanong mo nga sa kanya kung
Sabi ni Opa, naintindihan mo ba siya? Kanina ko pa gustong sabihin sa kanya.
Yung mga lyrics?
Oo.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Ba't nga ba ngayon?
ikaw na lang.
Wala akong kausap, ako lang mag-isa. Bakit nagsasalita ako ng kaya nga? Arabel, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon. Para ka na talagang artista. Oo. Minsan nga, pag tinitingnan kita, parang feeling ko mas maganda ka pa sa akin. Sabi ko, parang ikaw yung artista. Ako parang
pantay naman, pantay.
Medyo pantay
Oo,
na.
pantay.
Oo. And talaga yung performance mo sa tattoo mo ay hindi lamang nag-ano sa aming mga katawan, pati na rin sa aming mga balat hanggang epidermis at hypodermis ay naramdaman namin ang pagkakakanta mo niyan, tattoo na yan. Ramdam.
In other words, tagos. Tagos na tagos. Oo, mag-agree ako. Ito lang yung masabi ko, parang I wasn't able to understand some of the lyrics. Yun lang naman. Pero overall, strong din ang performance mo ngayon, sa totoo lang. So, yun lang yung note ko doon.
So yun. It's like first runner-up versus first runner-up, right? Kayo ang some of the best here. You've grown so much. And when you perform talaga, you connect and then you sing your best. Pero yun nga, parang we were wondering din, katulad nga ng sabi ni Miss Lani, you were singing it so well, pero yung diction though, I was really trying my best to understand some of the words you were singing. Even though it was a beautiful sound, parang I need help sa pagbigkas pa ng mabuti ng some of the words. Not all, kasi again, it could be style. Pero kung lahat style, it's very, very hard para sa audience para maintindihan yung, especially the very important lines. Okay? Okay, thank you.